Hello, fellow rail fans. Canadian Railfan 1923 here, and welcome back to another Railfan video. And in this video, I went to Bronte Go after working at college to capture one of Go Transit's newly refurbished old cab car, and that being 246. If you guys do remember 249, well, he's not the only one, because 246 came back with the exact same raised letter K5LA, which is very exciting. And the train he's leading in the footage is Go 1075, from Union Station, Toronto, to Aldershot Go Station, which is the crew member gave me an incredible horn show. And the unit pushing this 12 car consist is MP40PH-3C 654. Well, fellow rail fans, that is all for today's video about Go Transit 246. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, you know what to do! Please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out. And that will be it for sure. Peace out and be safe. Take care and y'all have a great night. Cheerio!